It's middle spring and the gardening season has begun here at my balcony and at the garden. Please join me for some update. This will be exciting as always here at Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where we grow, cook, and share. Hello, warm welcome. It's an annual ritual here at the garden, welcoming the springtime with these flowers, planting flowers. These are hanging geraniums, and each side here and that side as well, we'll be planting this. Look, perhaps in the summer there will be hanging flowers here. This side of the porch will be full of flowers. Here too. Again, warm welcome. I'll give you a tour of the garden this early spring. I'm happy this year because finally I was able to plant this alliums. I'll show you. Last year, if you remember, I planted them directly in the ground, but due to the continued rain, they died. They got drowned. Now I'm happy. Look at this. Beautiful. Will I transplant them in the ground later? No, I think they'll stay here. There's another here. While we're here, I might as well share the plants for this side. This has been always a border for the dahlias. I think we'll do that. At the same time, I also have here climbing, what are this? Sweet peas, dahlias here I think, and more wildflowers in there. Here is the clematis, Chiote, and I'm also happy with this roses. Look how robust have they become. This will be a forest of colors. Give them, I think, 1 month more, and this will be covered with glorious colors. Yellow and pink. They don't go well together, but at least they give some privacy to the garden or to the sheds. And this is the inner sanctum, the garden. Look, this area will be full of flowers, perennial flowers, those that survive the winter and come back the next year. Like now, look. These are the alliums that I just planted, and these are foxgloves, same color as this. Some yellows here, but they go well together. Some roses here as well. I don't know what this flower is. It just grew here, very plentiful. And how do you like that flower? They say it's wild, but I like it. Let's keep it that way. Here, this will be the department for the orange. Some orange and purple as well. Orange. More flowers here, newly planted. Please come back, there will be more here on this side this year. A newly planted rose here as well. The plan is to make a rose bow here. But let them grow first. This is the yellow department. Wildflowers, yellow. What are the other colors? Yes, yellow. All yellows here. And here would be whites. Look, you see, even the berries. The berry flowers are whitish. Lots of interesting things to come here in the flower department. But let's go to the vegetable department. Our earliest harvest, our earliest harvest, the peas. Peas, guisantes. I think 3 more weeks and we'll be harvesting. This area is dedicated for what for beans, and this for corn. This is already planted with Chinese brassicas. These are amchoy, mustasa, and these are spinach. More to come here. I'll be planting them. It's cold today, that's why I suspended my plans of replanting my veggies today. Another interesting would-be harvest. These ones. Strawberries. It's strawberries. The asparagus here, they are on their first or second year, so we're not able to harvest yet. 2 more years. But look, they came back and they are healthy. I'm very happy. These are fennels. They came back. They came back. I'm happy. How about here? Yeah. Let's clear this. I hope this too will come back. Okay. I got distracted. Let's go to the greenhouse. This side. I was already able to plant the ampalaya. Ampalaya here. Oh, it needs some help. Here, stay there. Ampalaya. We limited the number of ampalayas this year because I'll be planting more tropical vegetables. I'll try more sitaw. So this will be covered with sitaw or beans. Taro leaves there. There are more veggies here that are yet waiting to be transplanted. Sunflower here, dahlias, and more dahlias here. Okra, let's try it this year. And beans inside. Beans still sprouting. Under here, corn. Do you remember that we tried to overwinter the Chyote? Curious what happened? It was here. I covered it with straw. Well protected, warm and cozy. And you know what happened? It served as a home for mice. So they ate the roots of the Chyote. I also overwintered the Chyote here. I'm just curious what happened. No traces of Chyote. Nothing. It became a home for mice. No. But I'm happy this banana returned. Another site for our Chyote. Let's check it out. This is the area where I overwintered, or I covered a Chyote plant. Very fruitful Chyote with hay. Or with straw. The rest of the straws are here. It served as a warm and cozy home for mice. And they ate the Chyote. What did we learn today? Yes, we plant vegetables for us. A fraction is for us, a fraction is for nature. Don't just plant for yourself. Plant for yourself, for the neighbor, and for the nature. I'll show you our newest Chyote. This is our newest Chyote now. The plan is, it's spotted. I'll bring it indoors during the winter. Not just here, I'll bring it indoors, really, into my apartment. There's another Chyote here. This has been its best place perfect place. I hope it will be good this year again. It's another Chyote, of course, but same variety. I think let's conclude our tour now. Thank you. Allow me to finish this. And come back next time. There'll be more to show next time. As our flowers, or as our ornamental plants begin to bloom, and as our vegetables begin to bear fruit. Thank you for joining me here today, and I'd like to see you on our upcoming updates and on our other videos here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Thank you. Until next time.